Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hair Loss Show. In today's episode, we're going to talk about aftercare of after having a hair transplant, how we wash our hair.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show. Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hey everyone and welcome back. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So it's very common for people to get hair transplant surgeries now. Hair transplant surgeries are becoming very, very common and more popular, both locally, and people are traveling overseas as well to get the procedure done. But one of the things that's probably not as well known as well, how do we look after these grafts after having a hair transplant? People do worry about it because they've spent a lot of money, there's a lot of time, a lot of effort has gone into sitting in that chair and getting this sort of work of art done. And it's very common for people to go home and not want to move their head, not want to have a shower for the next couple of weeks. And really, that's not what we want at all. The scalp is very hardy. Those grafts are in place. There's a blood clot that will seal around them in about 20 minutes. After about 5 to 7 days, you can't pull those hairs out. The stem cells are solidly in place and they'll be fine. So it's just that first sort of week that you have to be careful. But we do encourage people to have a shower on a daily basis. So in our clinic, for example, what we do is we bring back our patients the following day or even the next day, and we do a hair wash for them. It's just because people are nervous about touching the grafts, and we've got a lot of experience in that, making sure the scalp is clean, and that is the essence. You want to keep the scalp clean, because if the scalp is dirty, if there's a lot of dry, dead skin cells, there's a lot of bacterial growth, it may hinder the growth of those grafts. So keeping the area clean is absolutely vital. So coming in for a hair wash after your surgery, making sure we normally give our patients shampoo and cleaning fluid to use in that first week. And really it's important to have a shower on a day-to-day basis. We don't want you to touch the grafts, but generally pour the detergent over the grafts and just let water wash through, and it keeps the surface of the scalp clean, and that will really help with the growth in the coming months. And after that first week, we want you to brush off all those scabs so it's nice and clean, and all you can feel is those beautiful stubble little hairs, and then you just know that things are going really, really well. So it's important to keep the scalp clean. It's important to use shampoo, but remember, follow the instructions of your surgeon and you're going to be fine. All right, hope you found that useful. Thanks again for watching, and take care.